lights. It's me, Flame Fairy. I'm gonna make a solar oven. Yeah. So, first of all, this pizza box is dead. It's falling apart. So we're gonna fix the pizza box. So is this gonna hold? I really hope it holds. I think. Okay, it's holding itself together. That is good. That is good. It's not falling. This is not falling down. I am happy. Okay. Next step. We need to close the pizza box. Then we're gonna take our scissors. We're gonna go ahead and cut the box. Maybe. That's about an inch. Is that an inch? No, that's an inch. There we go. We need to cut basically another lid in the lid. I should have probably used a box cutter, but we're using a pair of scissors instead. Probably not my brightest idea, I'll be honest. Oh, it actually kind of works. Okay. I now have a chunk of cardboard. It's fuzzy. Oh, this is kind of working actually. Is that? Oh, I think we're good. We now have a lid within our lid. I know, it's not pretty. It's fine. It doesn't need to be pretty. It needs to be functional. Okay. Let's go ahead and take our aluminum foil next. Ain't enough for this lid thing. Okay. Oh, guess we're tearing it. Did not mean to tear it, but it's fine. It was probably about the right size anyway. And then we just kind of wrap it around this lid thing. Okay. And then we need to tape it down. Thank goodness for tape. Am I right? Makes things stick when they don't want to. Yay, sticks. Okay. Okay, here we go. We're looking good. I think that's taped down. No, it's good. This is working. Okay. Now, the thing I read that told me how to do this was like, you should do it in this order. And I'm like, no, so we're not going to do it in the order it said. We're going to do it in my order. So this says do the plastic wrap next, but we want to do the plastic wrap later. We're going to do the cardstock next. We got our black cardstock here. There we go. Perfect. It fits perfectly. Like, look at these guys. It like sits perfectly within the box. I was worried it was going to be too small, and it's not. Now we need to take down the paper so it doesn't get blown away by the wind. Not that there is any, it's just really hot. Ooh, this is going to need extra tape. The box is really greasy. The pizza place that this box is from has really good pizza, but it's really greasy, so yeah. I wanted the one that didn't have like cheese chunks at the bottom. Instead, it just has salt chunks. Perfect. Now we have that done, we're going to do the newspaper bit. Now, how this works is you want to take the paper and you open it. You roll it up. Wait, that's too long. Fold it in half, then you roll it up. And it's still too long. It's still too long. You fold it a little bit more, and then you roll. Wait, what if we try rolling it this way? Is this too long? This is adequate. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to roll the newspaper, and you're going to tape the newspaper down so it doesn't unroll. That'd be awkward. You're just like, great, now there's newspaper in my pizza rolls. Apparently you can make fondue with this. So I imagine getting it would be worse getting it in a fondue than my pizza rolls. But I'm making pizza rolls. They're right here. I am excited. Anyway. Now we need to tape this down. So when you're taping it down, you're gonna want to be careful. I'm gonna try and do this. You're gonna want to be careful because basically you want to do this in here inside the roll and tape it like this, so that way you can still put the lid in because it'd be awkward if you can't close. Oh, that's hot. Oh, ow, ow, ow. I tried to do that. And you scorched me. Not burnt. I'm fine. I'm fine. Just mildly scorched. Okay, and we're gonna want to do that on every side. Don't worry, Sunday comics. You're not getting rolled into this. Mattress sale. No, you're next. You're next. Ah, I tore it. Ooh, that just unrolled. And that is why you tape it. I can't roll. I'm just gonna roll with it. Did you really think you were gonna watch a video of me without a pun in it? So, you were wrong. You were very wrong. All the puns. All the really bad wordplay. All of it. Okay, okay. This is kind of working out. Basically what we're doing right now is we're making insulation, so it stays warm as well as it helps make sure that it is pretty sealed within its thing. But basically, if we don't do this, basically what's going to happen is all the heat's just going to go whee down to the universe. By the way, for those of you who don't have access to these papers, brown paper bag should work, just like any really crappy paper should work. Maybe those that paper you get in like gifts, like you know those big bags, and they like put the paper on the top. That might work. I don't know for sure though. Hopefully it doesn't catch fire. By the way, that is what that Gatorade is for. If you can see the Gatorade, I don't know if it's in the shot. I hope it's in the shot. There's a Gatorade over there. I'm hoping it doesn't catch. If it catches fire, instead of drinking that, I'm going to use it to put out the fire. And I'm really hoping this doesn't catch fire. It is very hot out. Okay, get in there, move, squish, yes, yes. Be taped down, I guess. I don't know. I can't aggressively tell this to tape down. I don't know how to aggressively tell it to tape down. I'm thinking about it. I'm trying though. Is this too much? So guys, I'm looking at this, and there's like a gap here, and I'm trying to fill in the gap. Come on. This is too much, I think. Aha! Here we go. Oop. One of the already existing rolls shifted, and I'm not okay with it. I need to tape this roll down together. We're good. And then we'll just tape these guys together so that way this one stops moving. Now you cannot shift as much. I have defeated you, insulating newspaper. Fear me. I feel like a mild conqueror, like the child that wants to be the conqueror but isn't. Anyway. Okay, next step. Plastic wrap. How do I open the plastic wrap? Oh. There we go. Plastic wrap is open. Pull here to start. Okay. Anyway, so the goal of the plastic wrap is to do more sealing, similar to the newspaper. This one's on the top. We're going to cover the hole we made to make the second layer. Basically, this also prevents it from, like, leaves. Leaves from falling in and being like, yo, you wanted leaf pizza pockets? And I'm like, no, bro. So to prevent that, we're doing plastic wrap. Where did I put the scissors? There's the scissors. Okay. Then we're gonna open this up a bit more so we have room to place more tape to tape down this side. Okay, okay. Looking good there. No, stay. And now we're gonna have to tape it on this side. The inside, so that way it's, you know. It's kind of useless if you only tape one side, guys. It'll just blow open. Okay. Looks like we're functioning. And, okay, we need to seal this a bit more. So we need to tape this down a bit. Tape. Are we done? I hope so. This looks done. Are you done, sir? Sir, are you done? Ta-da! Pizza oven. So we're gonna go through all the parts really quickly, just so you can get a recap. And then we're gonna let it sit for a bit, so we can get heat really, really hot, so we can cook. Because the thing is, it's an oven; it needs to be hot. So we're gonna try to do this now before it's too hot. So here's the aluminum foil, which is used to like reflect the light into here to make it hot. We tape that down onto this second lid we made, and then we cover the hole with plastic wrap. And then on the inside we have our lovely black piece of paper and insulating newspaper. Cool. While we're waiting for it hot, we're gonna quickly discuss something, and that is, how do we actually cook these? Like, what do we need? We need this piece of plastic. So the thing is, you want a clear plate for this, or a clear tray of some sort. This is a lid. I couldn't find a plate, so we're using a lid. So we're gonna go ahead and apparently these work well. I've never made a solar oven before, but the guy who's like, you should make a solar oven as a camping lesson, even though you've never made one, is like, pizza rolls. So we're doing pizza rolls because I like pizza rolls. They're delicious, tasty. I would eat them raw, but that just sounds like a bad idea. I'm gonna be honest, guys. So we'll want to make sure this is pointing toward the sun. I just realized it is not. The sun is like right there, that way. So, heat up, my dudes. I'm probably gonna cut this out. So, drinking time. I'm dehydrated. All right, we have successfully drinking some water. It's still not done. Some water, Gatorade, electrolytes or something. I don't know. My first plan was to like not tell you guys it's Gatorade, but the thing is, like, you can see the logo from any angle. There's just like 2 logos here to make sure you know it's Gatorade. I guess I could have ripped off the logo. But the orange cap was still giving it away. I decided this conundrum is something I don't want to think about. So, oh my gosh, guys, what we can do is there's this little tab. Oh my gosh, where's the roll? Why isn't this not working? Oh, it's just because I'm not pushing enough. It's stuck. What's it caught on? It's self. There we go. So basically I just punched a hole in it, and now it's stuck on this side because there's something in it. And that is awesome. Okay. Huh. Truck. You can't see it, but there's a truck behind you. I can see it though. And we've got a aluminum foil roll. Are you cooked yet? Is it warm yet? I'm sorry. It's interesting because the newspaper's blistering hot. I'm gonna be honest, it's really, really hot. Paper? Okay, I'm back and cleaning things up, and right as I left, apparently a cloud came over and covered the thing. They're warmer now, and I feel like the box is warm enough that we can go ahead and cover this up. Please cook. I got something to do, by the way. I got friendship bracelet stuff. Where's the safety pin? There's the safety pin. I'm gonna eat one. This one. Doesn't seem to be cold at all. It's not quite warm, but I want to see how it tastes. One second. Well, it's cooked. It's not warm. But it's cooked. I don't want to eat another, actually. We might call it here. We might call it here. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And bye!